Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 7th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 9 awesome deals to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I did upload the Family Dollar 5 off $25 scenarios video yesterday. We have some really good deals there as well for this Saturday, so make sure that you go and check out that video if you haven't already. And if you're looking for more deals to do, or if you need substitutions for your 5 off $25 scenarios for Dollar General, make sure that you go back and check out all of my Dollar General videos that I've uploaded for you all this week. I will have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now next up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, we will also be going over a few gain scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General. So, as always, with gain scenarios, it is so important that you scan, because you want to make sure that that gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product that you want to purchase, because the gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. Now, I have one more thing that I want to say before we get into the 5 off $25 scenarios, and that is that I have included 3 of the freebies that we have for this week in with these deals. So if you do not have these items at your store, or if you've already used up your coupons, don't worry about it. It is really easy to substitute in another item for those 3 freebies. Personally, myself, I would just throw in 2 of the Head & Shoulders, or I would throw in the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. But like I said before, if you missed out on the Good Deals and Glitch List video, that's going to be a really good video for you guys to watch this week, because there are tons and tons and tons and tons of deals in that video, and we have a total of 20 glitches in that one video for you all. So make sure that you go and check that out if you haven't already. Alright, so for our first scenario, you want to pick up one of the large Gain fabric softeners at $12.95, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50, and there's a lot of different ones that y'all can choose from: flings, fabric softener, dryer sheets, etc. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and one of the Emergency 2 counts for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.95. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon, your 3 off 1 Gain fabric softener, $3.25 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 1 off 1 Emergency. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $5.70 for 7 items, making each one just 81 cents each. And I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Miss Debra Williams-Bus for sending in this scenario. Alright, now for our second Gain deal, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $7.50, 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products priced at $3.25 each. You can pick up the sprays, the small spaces, or the wax melts. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, 1 Airwick warmer at $2.25, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 Emergency 2 count for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.75. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 5 off 20 Gain, your 2 off 1 Gain laundry detergent, the 330 off 2 Febreze products, the 325 off 2 Mr. Clean, 175 off 1 Airwick, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 1 off 1 Emergency product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to 45 cents for 9 items, making each one just 5 cents each. Alright, and for our third Gain deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Swiffer refills priced at $5.50 each, 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products at $3.25 each, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 Emergency 2 count for $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $27. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 5 off 20 Gain, your 6 off 2 Swiffer, your 325 off 2 Mr. Clean, your 330 off 2 Febreze, 2 off 1 Oral-B, 2 off 1 Crest, and the 1 off 1 Emergency. After all of those coupons have been applied, that is going to make your subtotal completely free, plus give you 55 cents in overage. Now, like I've told you guys in previous weeks, that 55 cents in overage should apply to your taxes. However, in the event that it does not, do not allow the cashiers to give you cash back. They can get in trouble for that, so we do not want that to happen. So, go ahead and throw in something else from the dollar aisle, a pack of gum, whatever it may be. Throw something else in there for that overage to apply to. All right, next up this week we have a Bounce and Tide deal, just because we do have some high value coupons. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Bounce dryer sheets priced at $9.95, one of the Tide liquid or the pod laundry detergents priced at $9.95, one Airwick warmer priced at $2.25, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and one emergency 2-count for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.15. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 350 off 1 Bounce dryer sheets, the 3 off 1 Tide laundry detergent, the 175 off 1 Airwick product, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 1 off 1 Emergency. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $6.90 for 6 items, making each one just $1.15 each. All right, now next up, I have come up with a couple of scenarios that do include this 5 off 25 DG store coupon for the Mr. Clean, Bounty, Microban, Puffs, Sinex, and Vicks products. Now, we are not going to know for sure if this coupon will stack with the regular 5 off $25 DG store coupon until Saturday. Now, I will be up bright and early Saturday morning trying out some deals, so you guys just be on the lookout for an update video or a post in the community tab, but I will let you guys know as soon as I know. So, what I've done with these deals is I have put together the deal and then the subtotal after coupons if both coupons stack together, and then I have also told you the subtotal if the coupons do not stack together. So for this first one, you want to pick up 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, 3 of the Microban sprays priced at $6 each, 1 of the Puffs tissue cubes priced at $2, 1 Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush at $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 emergency 2-count for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.50. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, that 5 off 25 on select brands, the 325 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 3 off 1 Microban spray, the 6 off 2 Microban sprays, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 1 off 1 Emergency. After all these coupons have been applied, that's going to bring your subtotal down to $2.25 for 9 items, making each one just 25 cents each. Now, if both of those 5 off $25 coupons do not stack and only one is applied, your subtotal after coupons is going to be $7.75 for 9 items, making each one just 80 cents each, which is a pretty good deal considering we normally do not have really good coupons on these products. Now, here is another option for you all. If you want to try this deal out, you can pick up 2 of the Microban sprays priced at $6 each, 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners priced at $3.25 each, 1 of the Puffs tissue 4-pack at $5.90, 1 Puffs tissue cube at $2, 1 Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush at $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 emergency 2-count for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.40. And here's a list of the coupons. So, of course, you're going to need both of those 5 off $25 DG store coupons, the 6 off 2 Microban, the 325 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 Puffs tissue, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 1 off 1 Emergency. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $4.15 for 9 items, making each one just 46 cents each. Now again, if both of those 5 off $25 coupons do not stack, that is going to make your subtotal after coupons $9.15 for 9 items, making each one just $1.01 each. Alright, now next up, we're going to do a little deal with the Dr. Pepper glitch that I told you guys about on Monday. So we have 6 of the Dr. Peppers. They are on sale this week, 3 for $3, so that's going to put you at $6. Then you want to throw in 1 of the Angel Soft bath tissues at $5.95, 1 of the Sparkle 2-count paper towels at $3.95, 2 of the Febreze products at $3.25 each, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 emergency 2-count for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.40. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 10 Dr. Pepper DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft, the 1 off 1 Sparkle, the 3.30 off 2 Febreze, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 1 off 1 Emergency. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $8.10 for 13 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft bath tissue. Now, you guys have two different options to choose from. You can pick up the Angel Soft Ultra bath tissue or the Angel Soft Scented Tube bath tissue. Both of those are priced at $5.95 and should work with that 1 off 1 coupon. So, after you get that $1 back from Ibotta, that's going to make your final price $7.10 for 13 items, making each one just 54 cents each. Alright, next up we have a little personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps at $3.25 each. 1 of the Dial 11-ounce body washes at $3.45. 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size at $2 each. 1 of the DG Health Tussins at $2.85. 1 of the Rexall Vitamin D 360 count at $2.15. 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $3. 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. And 1 Emergency 2-count for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.20. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your 5 off 3 Olay products, the 1 off 1 Dial body wash, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 1 off 1 DG Health Tussin product, the 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, the 2 off 1 Colgate, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 1 off 1 Emergency. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $5.20 for 12 items, making each one just 43 cents each. Alright, and next up we have a little low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 6 of the Dr. Pepper 2 liters at $6, 1 of the Airwick warmers at $2.25, 1 of the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners for $1 found in the dollar aisle, 1 of the 9 Lives 12-ounce cat foods at $1.35, 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste for $3, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, 1 of the DG Health Nasal Decongestion 18 count for $2.65, 1 of the Rexall Vitamin D 360 count at $2.15, 1 Emergency 2-count at $1, and 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size at $2 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.40. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 2 off 10 Dr. Pepper, the 175 off 1 Airwick, the 50 cent off 1 Lysol, 75 cent off 1 9 Lives cat food, the 2 off 1 Colgate, 2 off 1 Oral-B, 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 DG Health Tussin, the 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, the 1 off 1 Emergency, and the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $3.40 for 17 items, making each one just 20 cents each. And of course, once you're done shopping, do not forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app. And if you are not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased. You're going to earn points on every single receipt, all right? Then you can turn those points into gift cards. So it's basically just like a little bit of free money on the back end. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free $2. So you definitely need to go and sign up if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your 5 off $25 scenarios. Now, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. While you're at it, turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.